What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about the benefits of having a Stash app. What's going on, guys? So today we're going to talk about the benefits of having a Stash app. And the benefits of having a Stash app is definitely not to replace a bank account. I'm not telling you to get this to replace your bank account. I'm basically trying to tell you that having a Stash app is pretty much another form of making a little bit of extra cash on the side. And that cash is all going to depend on how much that you invest in it. The Stash it personally says that you can start off with $5. I would say definitely start off with at least $50, just because the fee is $1 a month. Although if you use my link, which will be in the description box to sign up, it'll be $5. You'll get $5 as well, so that'll give you at least 5 months for free, and you can take that $5 and invest in one of the stocks or ETFs that you want to personally invest in. But I definitely, again, would recommend that you put at least more than $5 in the account, because in order to see a decent profit, you're going to need roughly $50 or more. I probably want to say about 100 just to see steady profit. I initially got the Stash app when it first came out. Um, I've been using it ever since, and I make some decent money. My regular bank account probably brings me in about $1 a month versus Stash app, which brings me about $12 a month, which is not that much, but it's a big difference when you're talking about Stash apps bringing me dividends from my bank account. Um, we're talking about Stash app giving me interest every single month, and that all depends on the stocks that you're investing in. So you might just ask, I got a little bit of notes. What is Stash? Stash is both a website and an app designed to help people start investing. Um, while other investment apps may require initial balances of 100, 1,000, or 3,000 to start, you can simply start with $5. But again, I mean, I recommend just getting your link out there so as many people can sign up, so you can keep getting that $5 to start your account. But I definitely say at the very least, go ahead and download the account so you can have that initial $5. You'll get it, and I'll get it. Um, my personal experience with Stash, last year mainly, I was really investing in it hard, and it turned like 25% profit on my money in like a 3 or 4 month period. And I ended up using that money and cashing out, and went on a vacation and doing all kinds of stuff with it last year. But this year it's pretty much the same thing. Is return a pretty decent profit on my money every month, and that all goes into the stocks that you choose or the ETFs that you choose and the correct balance that you will need. Um, I'm not an aggressive person when it comes to buying stocks. I am on another app, but not on the Stash app. I pretty much just use that for my long run and like a small savings app, because another benefit of the Stash app is the cashback program, where if you buy pretty much anywhere, they'll give you stock back in the company from the store that you either bought from. And let's say if you go to a store like a local store that don't have stocks, they'll just put it in another. Just put it in like another stock for you. So that money will keep rolling over, and that's what it's about. You just want your money to make money for you. Um, Stash is pretty much good for anybody who wants to make a little bit of extra money. If you just want to learn the little finer points in investing, it helps you teach you. It's an app that gives you guidelines. It really teaches you everything as you go. I mean, for beginners, if you download the app, you need to start reading through, and it really give you everything that you need step by steps. It'll help you with milestones, like when you first start investing your $5. Um, it's like your next milestone will be $20, and then your next milestone will be $100, and then it'll give you advice on which stocks you should buy, which stocks you should stay away from. Okay, so Stash offers two fee structures. Currently, your first month of investing with Stash is free. After that, you'll be billed accordingly to the type of account that you choose, or the account that you have based on the dollar that you have in your Stash account. So those paying who's 25 and under, you pay nothing for your Stash account. Pretty much it'd be a $2 monthly fee, or 0.225% per year of the assets, until you turn 25. If your account is under $5,000, which my account is $1 a month, and that's the one I usually try to keep my account under $5,000. But everyone else will have to pay fees to use Stash after the first month. If you have an account, a balance of under 5,000, you'll be charged $1 per month. If you invest in a regular investment account, $1 per month, is nothing, and that's true. I mean, you won't even see the dollar a month, and that's just like my Amazon. I don't see my $39 or whatever fee that is if you invest the right way. Stash helps you build your portfolio. It gives you like automated investing. You can have auto stash on where they're taking $5 out your account every day or every month, every week, however you want to, or it can be any set amount that you want. Keep looking at the paper and looking at my notes, but I just personally want to say that if you like money, if you like investing, if you like an extra dime, if you like an extra nickel, if you want to hustle for that extra penny, Stash is a good app for you to have. There will be days and months where you can bring in more than just a dollar or two or three a month, or $10 or $12 a month on your Stash app. It all depends on what you're invested in. My Stash app, I'll probably try to leave a screenshot of some of my stash and what I invest in, and see how many things that I invest in. So my portfolio might not be as well as your portfolio when you're only invested in one or two stocks that have a better risk at volatility than the stock that I invest in. So this just all goes to whatever you want to invest in. I'm not going to recommend any stocks for you to invest in because, again, that's all personal choices. But I will recommend that you do download this app. I'm going to leave my link in the description, and if you use my link, I'm going to get $5 on my Stash app, and you're going to get $5 on your Stash app as well. And with that $5, you can just scroll through your app and just see what you want to invest in. But I definitely recommend getting a Stash app, especially if you already have a bank account and you're established, and you can just throw $20 or $30 away extra every month into the Stash app and let that grow for your future. They have a retirement account for the Stash app. They also have a debit card for the Stash app that I personally have, and I was just telling you about. Every time I go swipe something somewhere, it's giving me cash back to invest in my future. So I can always just cash out on that money later on, or who knows, whatever you want to do. That's just my friendly advice. Hope I didn't take up too much of your time today. And thank you. And as always, I'm trying to keep it real with you guys. Any little thing that I find that I can make a nickel in, I'm going to inform you so you can do it too. If I can make a nickel, I'm trying to let you know. If I can make a penny, I'm trying to let you know. I've been doing this stash thing for about 2 years, so I wouldn't lead you astray. Right now, my percentage last year, I think I was at like 16% positive, but right now I am at like -4% for the month, and that's just because, again, I cashed out earlier in the month, and then I reinvested in some other stocks, and I'm just trying new things with stocks, and maybe I shouldn't, but that's just me. I'm aggressive. I'm aggressive when it comes to things like that. But you don't have to be. You can be just conservative or moderate, whatever. But yeah, you just go check it out. If you don't do nothing else, go check out the Stash app. Use my link below, and again, if you use my link, you get $5, and I get $5. Everybody love $5, but thank you for liking, sharing, and make sure you download that app. And I'll see y'all next time when I want to bring y'all some more FBA news.